So today we are going to be doing an oatmeal rinse. You are actually seeing the after results of the rinse. And the reason you're seeing at the beginning is because I made a rookie mistake and deleted my original intro. So here we are doing it at the end. Welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, I should be saying hello. My name is Janelle, and I'm going to help you with all things curly. Make sure, go hit that subscribe button, hit that bell while you're at it so you do not miss a thing. Now let's back up to earlier today, and I'm going to go through why we are doing oatmeal. Quick backstory on how we got here. So I was furthering my knowledge on apple cider vinegar rinses, and I was reading some blogs and different experiences and researching the science behind apple cider vinegar in the hair. And I came across the Natural Haven Bloom blog. There's a blog post on cleansers and what worked, what didn't. They literally put the hair under the microscope. And one of the things that worked the best was an oatmeal rinse. I'd never heard of an oatmeal rinse before, so I was immediately intrigued and started researching. Started from the research. Now we're here. First thing I did to research was type in Google oatmeal hair rinse, and countless entries came up. There were blog posts, Curly Nikki, naturallycurly.com, Naturally Curly, countless entries of oatmeal rinses, different ways, different perspectives, etc. So it was very, very easy to gather information and then also, decide what was the best way to try this for my hair. So why oatmeal? First, oatmeal is extremely moisturizing. It has a ton of B complex, and B complex acts like a humectant for our hair, which ultimately is going to help us retain moisture and fight frizz. That B vitamin is also fabulous for thickening and strengthening your hair. The B vitamin is able to penetrate the hair at the deepest layers and provide elasticity, which means that your hair is going to be a lot less brittle. And it also has beta-glucan. Beta-glucan is a new term to me, so hopefully I'm not butchering the pronunciation. But ultimately what beta-glucan does, it has microbial properties to cleanse the scalp. It will relieve itchiness, clear dandruff, improve circulation, which is good for hair growth, all kinds of things, and will restore natural pH balance to the scalp. So all these wonderful things, of course we're doing a hair rinse. So I went ahead and actually made mine prior to sitting down and explaining everything to you all. It's really easy, I recorded it. I will edit those clips in so that you have the visual. It's just oatmeal grinded down and mixed into hot water so that it can dissolve. And then put in a jar, let cool for a minute or two, and then I'm gonna take this in with me to my shower, and let's go. Really quick, I just wanted to show you what I did to grind the oats. I don't know why I'm showing you the measure cup. I literally just used it to scoop. You just need to put oats in a coffee grinder and then grind. You do want this to be a completely powdery consistency so that it will dissolve easily in hot water. So what I'm doing here is now just scooping the grinded up oats, also known as colloidal oats. That's right, you don't have to buy them, you can make them. I'm just scooping some into the jar, then pouring in hot water and then stirring, and then putting a little bit more oats in, a little bit more water and stirring so that I really make sure everything is dissolved properly. I went ahead and strained the oatmeal water. I made a really big batch. I'm not gonna use all of this today, but I think I'll store some in my fridge, and I think I might even try a skin mask. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour some back into the jar. It's kind of a milky consistency. It's not. I think that should be good. Probably more than what I need, but that's what we'll take. Okay, so I am in the shower. I just shampooed and conditioned. I used the Women to Women Naturals Gorgeous Collection cleanser and conditioner. This is one of my all-time favorite cleansers and conditioners, so I figured it would be good to pair with something new. So, oatmeal rinse. I am going to apply that similar to how I did the squish to condition method. I did that on a previous video. I will link that below if you're not sure what that is. So I have a big bowl. I am going to drizzle the oat water over my hair, and I'm going to squish it in to really make sure that it penetrates the strands, and then I'll be scooping it back up from this bowl and back into my hair. I'm gonna allow it to set on my hair for probably 10 to 15 minutes, and then, unlike the squish to condition, I am going to do a final rinse under the shower. So, let's jump in. So we have our oat water. It's separated a little bit. I'm literally going to reach my hand in. So this texture, it is mushy. See that? Looks like an egg white. That is how you want it. It'll go on slimy onto your hair, but then once you rinse it, I've read that it should come right out. So let's do this. So over my bowl, I guess I'll bring this down a little bit. Oh yeah, that's slimy. Okay, so this little bit is probably not gonna make it into the bowl, but oh. I don't know if you can see how slimy that is or not. I'll get another little bit on the top of my head. So I am going to massage this into my scalp quite a bit, as everyone recommended that it was really, really good for cleansing and amazing for your scalp.
Forever alone, forever without you, that's how it feels, but this I know isn't true. I know that it's tough. Who said it'd be easy? Time and time I've heard that it's not. This isn't the hardest part, but I can't stop the feeling. This hasn't hurt someone else, and I heard someone say that tomorrow it will get better. Oh, but tomorrow feels like forever and a day away.
As I told you before, I'm gonna let it sit on my hair for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'm gonna do a final rinse with warm water, and I will check back in with you in a bit. And I am now out of the shower. You got that too? Out of the shower, I have only air dried. I did add a little bit of leave-in just before leaving the shower. Just wanted to give you a look around before I add stylers. I went back and forth on if I should add stylers or not, but I am getting ready to travel tomorrow, so I want to make sure that this wash and go lasts. So I'm just going to follow my typical routine. If you're not sure what that is, I will put a link to my full wash and go routine in the description. But for now, let's just take a quick look around. This is the leave-in only. There you go. Hi, Chloe. You wanna say hi? This is Chloe. She hates to be held, but she likes attention. Go figure. Finish the rest of my styling routine off camera, and I will check back in once my hair is completely dry. I'll see you in a bit. I'm back. All finished. My hair is completely dry. Stylers are in. It has been fluffed. I am really happy with the results. My hair feels extremely soft. Not too soft, good soft. I guess I'll give you a quick look around. Here, it doesn't know what it wants to do. So there you have it, oatmeal rinse success. This was my first time trying it. I will be doing this without a doubt again. My scalp feels amazing. My hair feels so incredibly soft. My skin even feels really good despite the breakouts. Yeah, I'm totally digging the oatmeal, so I'm definitely gonna try it more. Let me know in the comments, have you tried this? If you have, which ways did you try it? And if you hadn't tried it, let me know. Are you convinced? Are you gonna try it? Thank you so much for joining me today. If this is your first time here, I was so glad to have you and I hope to see you back soon. Make sure, go hit that subscribe button, hit that bell while you're at it so you do not miss a thing, and I will see you next time. Bye.